classic algebra word problem about two friends exchanging money. The first says, give me 100 and I'll be twice as rich as you. The second says, if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Let's translate the problem step by step and use algebra to find out how much money each has. Let's define our variables. Let x be the amount of money the first person has. Let y be the amount of money the second person has. We'll set up equations accordingly. Let's create a table to visualize what happens after giving money. If the second person gives 100 to the first person, the first ends up with x plus 100 and the other with y minus 100. Let's expand the equation. X plus 100 equals 2 times y minus 100, or x plus 100 equals 2y minus 200. Bring all terms to one side. X minus 2y plus 300 equals 0, or x minus 2y equals negative 300. Now, let's process the second scenario. If the first person gives 10 to the other, the first gets x minus 10, the second gets y plus 10. Expanding the equation, we get y plus 10 equals 6x minus 60. Bring all terms to one side. Y minus 6x equals negative 70. We now have our two equations in standard form. Equation 1x minus 2y equals negative 300. Equation 2, y minus 6x equals negative 70. Let's clearly write the system we'll solve. Let's use substitution. From the first equation, x equals 2y minus 300. Substitute this into the second equation. So y minus 6 times, open parenthesis, 2y minus 300, close parenthesis, equals negative 70. Expand and solve the equation. Y minus 12y plus 1,800 equals negative 70. Negative 11y plus 1,800 equals negative 70. Move all terms involving y to one side. Now substitute y equals 170 into x equals 2.